Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying fundamentals that often fix connection errors fast. Check device date, time, and region so TLS certificates validate properly. Incorrect settings block the App Store. Once done, restart your device and router. Power off, wait 30 to 60 seconds, then power on to clear transient network faults. Make sure to toggle between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is specific to one network, which helps narrow next steps. Next, tackle network and account layers that commonly block store access. Reset network settings, or forget the Wi-Fi and rejoin to clear bad DNS or IP assignments. This forces a fresh DHCP lease. Then sign out of your App Store/Apple ID and sign back in so credentials and tokens refresh. Make sure to disable any VPNs or proxies temporarily, because they can intercept secure traffic and cause the App Store to report it cannot connect. Finish by updating and cleaning the system to remove lingering faults. Install any pending operating system updates. They include fixes for networking and certificate validation. Force quit the App Store or clear its cache where supported. If possible, reinstall the app component or reboot into safe networking. If problems persist, try signing in with a different Apple ID to isolate account-specific issues. As a last resort, contact support with your diagnostics. They can check server-side blocks or account flags.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.